Here I've got the brush tool selected in Photoshop. You can see I've got a 51 pixel brush with 0 softness. Now you can change the opacity, the flow and the smoothing with these sliders. You can change the colour here, but it's far better and quicker to use keyboard shortcuts. So for size, you can use the left bracket key to make it much smaller, as you can see, and the right bracket key to make it bigger. You can also use the curly brackets to change the hardness, but that's not very efficient as it only works in 25% increments. If you want to change the opacity, you can use the number keys. So 3 changes, you can see, changes the opacity to 30%, 8 to 80%, and 0 is 100%. If you add the shift key and then hit a number, you see you change the flows. So shift 5, flow is 50%. If you use Alt plus a number, you change the smoothing. So Alt 4 changes the smoothing to 40%, etc., etc. Now, whilst these are an improvement, it's even better to use the mouse. On a Windows machine, you hold down the Alt key and right click. If you go up, you reduce the hardness. If you go down, you increase it. If you go left, you make it smaller. If you go right, you make it bigger. So it gives you a visual representation. So it's not only quicker, but you can see exactly what you're getting. I believe on a Mac, you use Option plus Command and click. You can also change the color. If you go Alt Shift right click, you can change the color like that. So these are far better ways to controlling the brush tool than going up to the menu bar at the top. These shortcuts also apply to any other tool which uses a brush type interface. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.